Hi, I'm going to show you a small demo of the DAM2.0 plugin. It's planned to be released in the first week of October 2022. I'll just show you some basic features, and then on our Confluence you can see all the different functions and features. It's quite featureful, so I would recommend that you go in and take a look to see what's possible or not. So what I've done is I've done a demo page, which I'll link as well to in the Confluence. So what we're seeing here is this is a integration where we're thinking that what you're seeing now is the customer, for example, customer content management system, and they want to pull images from our DAM and use those images for different reasons. So what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to link to the plugin and select an image, and the image will be transferred back to the demo customer content management system. So that's the basic idea of this this demo. So what I'll do is we have the actual web CMS up here, the dummy CMS, and down here you have something called a console, which shows the return data we're getting from Brandmaster DAM. So what I'll do is I'll click on this one. It opens a new window, and I'm presented with a specific selected DAM view. So what I'll do is I'll select an image, and then I'll go down and click import and choose the format I want to move over, copy to the CMS. So, and we could obviously have different types of file formats here, and if an image is going to be used in a CMS, I would suggest that we add something like a PNG preview or something like that in another resolution, but it doesn't matter for the demo. So I'll click there, and now it's actually imported to the demo CMS. If I'll go back here, we actually see how the image was added to this frame, and we also have a lot of return data. So if I'll go in here, I'll see that the data that was returned from the DAM2.0 is an object with a couple of assets. Obviously I just selected one image, so I'm just getting one back, and I'll see here what information it has. It has the asset ID, the file name, if it's expired, and a lot of information that can be used for those people who want to integrate with our system via the plugin. Down here we have also the actual files, and in this case I just pulled the first file, and that's actually the file that we're seeing up here. If we'll take a look at the code, it could be a bit interesting, because if we take a look at the interface here, this was, as I mentioned before, one specific archive, and I could just select one image to import, but this is a setting thing. So now you see I got the new image. It's a setting thing. So what I could do is this is the actual code for the demo CMS system. So I won't go into detail, but basically what we're doing is the button that you saw, Open Papirfluid DAM plugin, opens a window, and this is where the magic happens. So it's quite easy for a customer to implement this. It's more or less just opening a window, and then obviously they need to handle the return object, and this is done in this part. But anyhow, so what I'll do is for example, we could just select one image. So if I'll just remove this variable here, it says import limit 1, so I'll just remove that. I'll save and I'll close this window, and then I'll just reload, and now when I open, you'll see that I will be able to select multiple images. So you see now I actually got this one, and I could import that. Now my demo CMS doesn't handle multiple objects, so I won't import it. If we go back to the code, if I'll remove the portal and just have the actual customer company ID, so this is our brand call demo, so I'll save that. I'll need to reload to get the new code, and I'll open the link to the archive, and now you'll see some more interesting things here. So I have the multiple selection. Now you see I'm getting a couple of some different search results, and I actually have all the available archives in a list, so I could actually just select another one. So there, as you see, there's a lot of function and features in the new DAM2.0 plugin, which could be used by our customers to retrieve information. So thinking about, for example, having a web CMS or any other system, this would be equivalent to maybe a CI hub for Adobe or Microsoft, but instead for a CMS. So it's a way of getting objects from within a DAM into another system in a very, very easy way for customers to implement. So that's basically what I want to show you. And again, the work done in Slin is amazing. They have done this thoroughly, and it's a pleasure to work with the API that's described in Confluence. And I think I mean, when we go live with this in the beginning of October, it will be more or less a game changer for a lot of our customers using the old plugin, and also potentially new leads as well. So I hope you found this small demo useful, and don't hesitate to get in contact if you run into customers who'd like to pull images or data from our CMS via their own systems in some way. This might just be the solution. Okay, thank you for your time. Have a nice day.